Imagine the joy of owning your dream home, surrounded by memories and cherished moments. For many veterans and active duty service members, the Veterans Affairs VA Home Loan Program offers a unique opportunity to turn this dream into reality. However, like any financial endeavor, there are specific credit content requirements that need to be met. In this video, we will explore the 3 key points regarding VA home loan credit content requirements, helping you navigate the path towards home ownership with confidence and clarity. Point 1. Minimum credit scores. One of the primary credit content requirements for a VA home loan is the minimum credit score. While the VA does not set a specific credit score benchmark, most lenders typically require a minimum FICO score of 620 or higher to qualify for a VA loan. It is important to note that lenders may have varying credit score requirements, and some, like mortgage brokers, may consider borrowers with lower scores on a case-by-case basis. We have access to lenders that will allow a 550 score. However, maintaining a solid credit score significantly enhances your chances of securing favorable loan terms, such as lower interest rates and reduced fees. Point 2. Credit history. In addition to the credit score, lenders scrutinize the credit history of applicants. A strong credit history demonstrates responsible financial behavior and a track record of repaying debts on time. When evaluating credit history for VA home loans, lenders typically look for a minimum of 12 months of clean payment histories on major credit card accounts, such as credit cards, car loans, and student loans. It is crucial to avoid late payments or defaults on any debts leading up to the loan application, as these negative marks can significantly impact your eligibility. Lenders also consider factors such as bankruptcy and foreclosures. While these events do not automatically disqualify you from obtaining a VA home loan, they may require a waiting period before you can reapply. Generally, a waiting period of 2 years is necessary following a bankruptcy discharge, while foreclosure proceedings may require a waiting period of 3 years. By maintaining a solid credit history and managing your finances responsibly, you can overcome these hurdles and enhance your chance of securing a VA home loan. Point 3. Debt to income ratio. The third crucial aspect of VA home loan credit content requirements is the debt to income ratio, DTI. The DTI ratio is a measure of your monthly debt obligations compared to your gross monthly income. Lenders use this ratio to assess your ability to handle additional mortgage payments without becoming financially burdened. While the VA does not set a specific DTI ratio limit, most lenders prefer a DTI ratio of 41% or lower. This means that your total monthly debts, included the projected mortgage payment, should ideally be no more than 41% of your gross monthly income. As before, using a mortgage broker increases the opportunity to get approved. Some of our wholesale lenders don't look at the DTI ratio alone, but take the residual income into account when the ratio is over 41%. Some of our wholesale lenders don't look at the DTI ratio alone, but take the residual income into account when the ratio is over 41%. To improve your DTI ratio, consider paying off or reducing outstanding debts before applying for a home loan. Lowering your DTI ratio not only strengthens your loan application, but also provides a healthier financial foundation for home ownership. So, in conclusion, navigating the credit content requirements for a VA home loan is a vital step in achieving the dream of home ownership for veterans and active duty service members. By understanding the importance of maintaining a solid credit score, a clean credit history, and a healthy DTI ratio, you can position yourself for success when applying for a VA home loan. Remember, while these requirements exist, each lender may have additional guidelines, so it is essential to consult with mortgage professionals who specialize in VA loans to ensure you meet all the necessary criteria and make informed decisions along the way. So, what's next? Call me, Damian Power, at English Cowboy Mortgage at 832-567-8493, or email me damian.power@mottomortgage.com.